Okay, so we're back again. Only one wall got painted. So anyway, just peeled up all the tape off, and bad news, it's pulled the paint off because it's been left on there too long. New fan's been fitted, but it's noisy, so I don't know what's going to happen with that. I've got paint on the ceiling. So we're back. We're going to make up the bathroom cabinet, which is going to go here, and there's a couple of little shelves that are going over here. So we'll get cracking on it, and let's see, it's already getting a CAT scan. The other one's fast asleep. So the young lady is going to be doing, well, I'll rephrase that. So she's going to be doing, she's just making up the cabinet, which is fairly straightforward. And then we'll get to have fun putting it up on the wall. Got the man right way?
Yeah. The opening has to face where the hole is.
Huh?
The opening, this bit, has to face this way, because we're going to put the screw that way. See, you did teach me some of it.
Is it right in? Right, and then you get your top and bottoms. These will go in like this, like so.
No, you want it on the inside.
Sorry?
Or is it at the top?
Top or bottom? You're not inside the cabinet.
Where am I going?
Turn it.
Clockwise.
Righty-tighty.
You know, but I'm doing it with my left hand, so it's backwards.
Still goes the same way. Then you just got to get your other side piece and line up all them screw holes and everything in the same place. Okay, so here's the cabinet, marked in the two corners, 60 by 60 to what they say. You've just got to drill a hole through them. So what I'm going to do is take a level line from the sink, from the middle of the sink, which will be
That's alright. I can still see in that.
right on your head bit.
FYI, I'm only 5'3".
Yeah. Level line in here.
I'll get that with my cleaning product. Good tradesmen, that is, when they clean up after themselves. Put their COVID everywhere. Yeah,
But it's up to you.
I don't mind.
Okay, so there we go, all done. A little bit of touching up to do, but she's going to do that in the week. It's only where I took the masking tape off the wall, pulled a bit of paint off. Units in. Didn't do. We took one of the shelves out to get her stuff in. And you just put a few little bits up there on a couple of shelves. So that's it. We're done here. I don't know what the next project will be. You never know. But I'm pleased with it, and I think she's pleased with it, and her other half's pleased with it. So we'll see you whenever. Say bye, cat. Say bye. Say bye. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.